Hi, welcome back to Striver's A2Z DSA series. Today we'll be solving this question, remove duplicates from sorted array. So let's jump to the question. The question क्या कह रहा है? It says given an integer array num sorted in a non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique element in nums. Okay, so here first thing is in place. In place means in the same array we need to remove duplicates and we need to put all the unique elements together, and we need to return the n, or you can say the number of unique elements. Okay, so first thing is clear, we are using the same array, we will not create any extra array, we are doing it in space complexity order of 1. Okay, fine. So what is the input array we have? We have the input array in example 1 1 2, and output should be 1 2 and 1. It is 1, we do not care about this, we just give the k as 2. Right, we'll return 2 1 and 2. These are the unique elements. So what should be our approach for this? Right, हम इसको will iterate to the array, that is true, हम iterate करेंगे, will use a for loop. बट कभी भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आए, फर्स्ट थिंग हमारे माइंड में आनी चाहिए कि हमें डुप्लीकेट्स करने, हमें एक पॉइंटर यहाँ पे चाहिए एंड विल देन iterate to the rest of the array. So we'll be using 2 pointers. कीप इन माइंड, कभी भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन है 2 pointers यूज होगा, आंख बंद करके लगा दो 2 pointers. Okay, we'll just see what logic we can develop from this. 1 1 2, this is the array, right? We'll have one pointer int I equal to 0. starting index पे ले लेंगे I को, right? I'll write it here 1 1 2 2 3. I'll take this array 4, right? थोड़ा अच्छे से will understand. int I equal to 0, I ले लिया हमने. Then we'll have for loop int j equal to 1. Okay, ये हमारा j आ गया, j less than the size and j plus plus, right? Okay, what अब क्या देख रहे हैं हम कि if, right, अगर हमारा second element that is j, if nums of I, first element and the second element are not equal to nums of j, that means second one is unique, right? हमारा लॉजिक क्या कहेगा, अगर first and second I and j are not equal, then we'll store the second element I plus plus and we'll store that in nums of I equal to nums of j. अब to understand this better, right? Understand this better, how we can understand, we'll just do one try run. I'll change the color of my pen. Okay, here we have I and j. First I0 j1, right? Nums of I is not equal to nums of j, it is j, right? Okay, it is equal, it will do nothing. Okay, j plus plus, now your j is here. Nums of I not equal to nums of j, fine, it is not equal. Then I plus plus, I is coming here, I plus plus, and nums of j is getting into nums of I. Then we are putting it here 2, and I is here, j for loop plus plus, they are equal, nothing. Then j comes here, next iteration. So then again it compares, if condition nums of I not equal to nums of j, I is not equal to j, it will do I plus plus, I will go here and it will put nums of I equal to nums of j, it will put it here 3, and so on. This will keep the unique elements. Okay, then it will put 4 here. What we need to return then? 4 is here, we need to return the count, we'll return I plus 1. Again I'll show you the code, we'll do a try run. We have this array 1 1 2 2 3 4. This is our I, this is our j. Our this is I equal to 0, for loop, j equal to 1. Right, in our for loop we have our if condition. If nums of I not equal to nums of j, right, in that case we'll do I plus plus and we'll store the nums of j in the nums of I. Okay, we are removing the duplicate here, nums of j. Okay, so we'll do a quick try run of this. First I0, j at 1, true. Nums of I not equal to nums of j, here 1 and 1. Condition does not satisfy. Next is j plus plus, j goes here. Condition is nums of I is 1 not equal to nums of j is 2. Condition satisfies. It goes inside the if condition. I plus plus, I goes here, right, and in nums of I it puts nums of j. Nums of j it puts in nums of I 2 here. Okay, and again j plus plus with the for loop. Now your j is here. Once j is here, it will again compare if nums of I not equal to nums of j, both are 2 and 2 equal, condition not satisfied, j will proceed next. Okay, again this if condition comes, it will compare your nums of I and nums of j. Nums of I is here, nums of I is 2 and your nums of j is 3. 2 not equal to 3, condition is met. It will do I plus plus, I will be here. What will do? Nums of I, nums of j. It will put the nums of j in nums of I. 3 is now your 3 is here. Again j plus plus with the for loop. J is here. Again it will compare if nums of I. Nums of I now at this point is 3 and your nums of j is 4. Condition is this. If condition is met, it will do I plus plus. I is here, right, and now it will put the nums of j in the nums of I. It will put 4. Your I is at position 0 1 2 3. You will return 4, I plus 1, that is 4. So you have 1 2 3 4 unique elements. That's what you're returning, I plus 1. So let's have a look into the code. This is the solution. Int I is 0 for j equal to 1, j less than num sort size, the size of the array, j plus plus. If this condition is not met, I plus plus, and then we are putting the nums of j in nums of I. So I hope you got this key concept at line number 7, why we did I plus plus first. So through this try run, I hope you got that thing. So please do practice this question and let me know in the comments if you got the concept or not. Thank you so much for watching.